Till what question? I think we completed till fifth question, right? Just correct me if I'm wrong.
Yes.
Right? Till fifth we have done, no? Fifth one, did we complete it?
No, ma'am.
No? Okay. Fourth till fourth we completed it, right?
Yes.
Okay. Chalo. So we'll start with the fifth question. So now I hope you have understood how do we arrange people in a linear row, linear arrangement. Yes?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. So let us try now question number 5. So 8 persons are sitting in a row with equal number of people facing north and south direction. Okay, so now some people are facing north, some are south, and equal number of people are facing both directions. So that means if total 8 persons are there, so 4 will be facing north and 4 will be facing south. Yes.
Yes.
So 8 persons are there. Let us first draw 8 places. 1, 2, 3, 4. 8 places we have drawn. Some are facing north, some are facing south. So we cannot, right now, we cannot draw arrows in any direction because the direction is not fixed. Now, let's start by looking at the conditions. First condition is people sitting at extreme ends are facing north direction. Okay, so what are the extreme ends? Extreme left end and extreme right end. It is given that people sitting at both the ends are facing north. So since they are facing north, we'll draw an arrow facing upwards. Is that correct?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. Then let's see next. D is sitting fourth from the right end. D is sitting fourth from the right end. So this is the right end. And D
Yes.
is sitting fourth from this end. So this end means this is the first place, then second place, this is the third place, and this is the fourth place from the right. Right?
Yes.
Yeah. So they are saying that D is placed fourth from the right end. That means the place of D is fixed over here. Correct? Next. 3 people are sitting between D and A. 3 people are sitting between D and A. We'll place 3 people between D and A. Now, it is not mentioned that on which side, towards the right or towards the left. So, जहाँ पर भी possible होगा, at wherever it is possible, we'll place A. So, can you tell me where it is possible to place A now? 3 people have to be seated between D and A. So that means there should be 3 people, 1, 2, and 3 between D and A. So A
Okay.
can be towards the right also, towards the left also, right? So where it will be? Can you tell me?
It will be at the left.
At the left, yes. Why so? Because there are
Because
not
it's in
enough
between.
place, yeah, because there is not enough place towards the right of D. We have to make 3 places. So there is only 3 places towards the right. So that means A will be placed 1, 2, and 3. 3 people are placed between D and A. So A will be here. Is
Yeah.
that it? Yeah. Okay. Let's see. Next point. Let's erase this. Yes. Next is C is facing north. C is facing north and sitting second to the right of A. We know the direction of A, that is
Mm.
north. So we can place C according to A, right? C
Yeah.
is second to the right of A. So A is the second to the right will be this side only. 1 place and 2 place. That means here
Yeah.
second to the right. Correct?
Yes.
Also, it is also given C is facing north. So C is facing north, we can draw an arrow. Okay? This much understood?
Yes.
Yes. Next is E is fourth to the right of C. Fourth to the right of C is E. Again, we can clearly see that C is facing north. So, right of C will be this position 1, 2, 3, and it is given fourth to the right of C. So, fourth is this place. So, who is sitting fourth to the right of C? E. All right. So, E will be placed 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 place to the right of C. Is it correct? Yeah? Okay. Next point. B is third to the right of E. B is given third to the right of E. Now again we do not know the direction of E, but it is given that B is third to the right of E. So there is only one possible way where we can place B, isn't it? Because towards the right of E there is no vacant place, only one place is there, right? And they are saying B should be third to the right of E. That means 3 places away we have to place B. So where it will be? There is only one possible place towards the left, isn't it? So one place, 2 places, and third. Third to the right is B. Is that correct? Now since it is given B is third to the right of E. So from this point can we make out that which direction E is facing? If B is third to the right of E, can you tell me which direction E will be facing? See here where there is E and B is towards the left. But in the question it is given B is third to the right of E. That means the direction of E must be what? It will be south or north? Am I not audible? You're not audible, beta. Just check your
No,
audio. Yeah, now it's audible. Yes.
it will be facing south.
It will be
Facing south.
south. Yes, correct. So it will be facing south. That is why B is coming third to the right of E. Correct. Next is F is immediate right of A. F is immediate right of A. A we know that it is facing north, so immediate right will be towards its right. That is F will be facing here. Correct?
Yes.
Okay. Next point. G is facing north. G is facing north and is immediate right of E. Okay, so G is facing north and immediate right of E. Now, immediate right of E can be both the directions, like this also and this direction also. Is it?
Yes.
Yes. So, okay. So, if we place, let me see if there is any other information. Yeah, that's correct. Okay. So if we place, I think there are two possibilities now where we can place G. Okay, because if we place G over here, then also this is satisfying because G is facing north, and in that way, no. It is also given that immediate right of E, which will be immediate right of E next to,
Left. Next to D.
yeah, next to D. Yes. So G will be here. G will be here, immediate right of E, and facing which direction? It is given G is facing
North.
north direction, right? So only one place is left here. And which alphabet is left?
H.
Yes, H is left. And what will be the direction?
Mm,
Direction, if it is given, let us see. Four are not. Not have we got four? No, okay. I think some point we must be skipping some point maybe. So arrangement we have got. Arrangement you have understood. Arrangement will be like this only. It's just that now we have to look for the directions of these F, B, and D and H. These directions we have to see. Okay, let us see. F is immediate right of H, G is facing north, immediate right of. See, in the question it is asked that F, in the question it is asked who is sitting fourth to the left of F. Fourth to the left of F. So there is no place towards the right. That means they are talking about this space only, isn't it?
So so left
Yeah.
is so F is facing south.
Yeah. So F must be facing south only. Sorry, just a minute. Yeah, F is facing south only, and 4 to the left of F will be 1, 2, 3, and 4. So the answer will be G. Okay, right? And for these directions, I think some information must be missing from here. Okay, so arrangement will be like this only. All right, and answer for this one will be G. So we can leave these directions for now. Okay, so for these directions, one or two information it will be given additional. All right, have you understood the arrangement? How we have done it?
Yes.
Yes, let us quickly have a reading once more. Let us see if we are skipping something. Four people are facing north. One, two, three, four. Okay. People sitting at the okay. This point we skip. People sitting at the extreme ends are facing north. That means H will also be north.
There's an equal number facing north and south, so
Yes.
B and
Yes.
D will be south.
Yes. These are four we have got for north. So now B and D will be facing south. All right. Now it's complete. Understood?
Yes.
Okay. Very nice. Let us move to the next question. Okay, now try for question number 6. You try it first and then we'll discuss. 7 people are facing. Okay, now this is again unidirectional. All of them are facing south. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All of them are facing south direction. Okay, now try for this. Getting or not?
Yeah, I'm almost done.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
for when it says two people are sitting between Q and P, who is sitting at the extreme left, it's not P's extreme left, so it's the normal left, right?
Yeah. It's if it is written the extreme left or extreme right, that is according to us.
Yes.
If it will be the extreme left of P, then it will be particularly mentioned that to the extreme left of P or to the extreme left of whatever. So if unless it is not mentioned, that means they are normally talking about the extreme left.
Okay.
Yeah. Starting, starting from the left, extreme left, tell me.
So from the extreme left, it's P,
Yes.
then U,
Okay.
V,
B. Okay.
V,
V, sorry, yeah. Just a minute. V,
Q,
Q,
S,
S,
R,
R,
and T.
and T. Okay. So we'll have to check now. Let us see from the question if all the conditions are satisfying. First
Wait,
is,
ma'am, I did it wrong.
you did it wrong? Okay.
Yes, one minute.
You can correct it. Should I erase it?
Yes. Okay, ma'am, I corrected it.
Okay. Yeah. Tell me now.
It's P,
Yeah.
R,
Yeah.
T, S, Q, I mean Q, S.
Yes. Q. After T, it is Q.
Yes, Q, S,
Q. S.
U, V.
Yes. Now that's correct. No, I think still a little mistake. I think. Let us just check. First is Q is sitting at the center. So this one is correct. Q is sitting at the center. Then two people are sitting between Q and P. Two people are sitting between Q and P, who is sitting at the extreme left. That is correct. The position of P is fixed, and two people are sitting between Q and P. That is also correct. Okay, then three people are sitting between P and S. Okay, three people are sitting between P and S, 1, 2, and 3. This position is also fixed. All right. Then next, R is sitting fifth from one of the ends. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So fifth position will be this from one of the ends. From one of the ends it is written. Obviously, it cannot be from this end because from this end R is second, isn't it?
Yes.
And we have to place it fifth from one of the ends. So fifth position, beta, has to be, it has to be here, right? So that
Yes.
means, yeah, so that means R should be here, right? And then U is immediate right of V. This you have done it correctly. U is immediate right of V because these are the only two positions which are possible for U and V, and whatever is left now, T is left, so T will be here. So it was just a little mistake between R and T. That other than all the positions are correct. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So I think there was only counting mistake, right? From the
Yeah.
end. So it was fifth, so R should be here, and this is the final arrangement. And now who is second to the left of T?
Q.
Yeah, so answer will be Q, right? Okay,
Yes.
very nice. Good. Now try for question number 7. This is also a nice question. Let's see if you can do it. Now there are 10 friends. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 10 friends are there who are sitting in a row. 6 are facing north while others are facing south. Again, it is not fixed that who is facing which direction. We just know that 6 are facing north, others are facing south. So others, that means 4 will be left, 4 will be facing south. Only this much we know. Okay, now try it. Let's see if you can do it.
ma'am.
Yeah. It was a little lengthier, no? Chalo, tell me what are you getting from this end? First, tell me the arrangement only. Directions we'll see later on.
T, Q,
T,
B,
Q, B,
D,
D,
C, E,
C, E,
R, P,
R, P.
and here it wasn't given any letter. So can you put any letter?
Okay, so one letter is S is given here. One is S, right?
Oh,
Which is given.
I haven't seen that.
Yeah, that means S will be somewhere here and any other?
S and then A.
Yeah, S and A. Very nice. That's perfectly fine. Absolutely correct. Very well done. And also tell me the directions.
T is
T.
facing south,
Okay. Q.
is also facing south.
Okay.
P and
Then
D are facing north.
correct. Then
C is facing south.
okay.
E is facing north.
Okay.
Then S is facing north. S and
Okay. S is, and what about R and P?
A. R and P are facing
R is facing north.
south.
R is facing south. I think R's direction should come north. We'll just see. What about P?
Oh, P is facing north. P is facing north.
North. Okay,
Yeah.
this also we'll have to see. I think it will. इसमें थोड़ा सा there is a slight
Wait,
mistake maybe.
no,
And A.
no. S and A are facing north.
Okay. And R and P are saying R is north, right?
No, no. R and P are not. Wait. P is south.
Yeah. P is south and
R is north.
R is north. Yes. Now that's correct. Very nice. It was not that easy, but you have done it correctly. Very good. So any doubt, any problem? Did you face any problem solving this at any point? Was it confusing?
Yes. Actually, I did it. I did it completely wrong, and then I had to start again because I missed Q.
Okay, so yeah, it's just that the point is we don't have to miss any point, we miss a point and then the sequence becomes wrong,
Yes.
right? So yeah, that's the main point, that we don't have to miss any point. Then other than that, any other thing, if you want me to
No,
do it like again, solve it again, or is that fine?
no, it's fine.
It's fine. Okay. Then see, at the very start, it was given that T is facing south and sitting at an extreme end. So here there were two possibilities that were forming. No, T can be at any ends. But then at the very next line, it was written B is second to the left of T. So at this point, it became clear that T must be here only. So the point is that I'm trying to say that there can be two possibilities that will form at the initial point, right? But as we move on to the question, as more points come in, so then these possibilities gets eliminated, and it follows like that. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, chalo. So you don't want me to repeat it, right?
No.
Okay, chalo. Very nice. So this last one, there is one more question. I want you to solve it as a homework. Okay, I'll send you this file and then you can do it as homework. Okay. So next we'll be starting with circular sitting arrangement now. Okay, the next type of arrangement that we have studied, circular sitting arrangement. So let's practice some questions on those now. Okay, we'll be sending you this file and then you can do the eighth question also, and all the other questions also. You can just do it like again by yourself. Okay,
Okay.
so we'll start with circular sitting arrangement questions now. So what we have studied in circular sitting arrangement, again, what will be there? Any number of people will be sitting in a circle, like around a circle. Okay, so they will either be facing towards the center or they can be facing outside the center as well. These 2 points will be there, right? So if they'll be facing inside the center, so their right will be this side and the left will be this side, right? And if they'll be facing, this is for when they are facing inside. If they are facing outside like this, so left will be this side and right will be this side. And as I said, you can visualize it also. Like if you're sitting like this, where will be left? Left will be this side only, right? So you can visualize yourself sitting at this point, and whatever will be your left and right, you can apply it on this. Is that fine?
Yes.
Shall we start with the questions now? Okay. So let's start with the first one. P, Q, R, S, T, U, V are sitting around a circular table. Okay, so these are 7 people who are sitting around a circular table. So we'll place them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 like this. As we place the people in linear arrangement in a row, so in the same way we'll place them around a circle. Okay, and what else is given? That they are facing the center. So if they are facing the center, we'll draw arrows facing inside. Is that much fine?
Yes.
Okay. Then what else is given? Now let us move to the conditions that are given. First point is R is to the immediate left of U and V is second to the left of R. 2 points are given here. R is immediate left of U. So if we draw U anywhere, so now we can start from any point in a circle, okay, because there is no fixed point from where we have to start. So we can place U anywhere. It is given that R is immediate left of U. So if I take U over here, for example, if I take U over here, so R is immediate left of U. So where will be the left? Here or here? Downwards or upwards? Left of U will be
Will be downwards.
downwards, right? So immediate left of U, who is sitting? R is sitting. So R will be placed here. Correct?
Yes.
Then next point is V is second to the left of R. Second to the left of R is V. So again, left of R will be in this direction only, left side.
Yes.
Yeah. Second to the left, that means leaving one place. Second to the left means 2 places away at the left side. So where will be second to the left? This is 1 place and this is 2 places. So second to the left will be here. Is that correct?
Yes.
Yeah. So we'll place V here, second to the left of R. Okay, let's move to the next point. P is sitting third to the left of T. Okay, P is sitting third to the left of T. Now there is no exact position where we can place T. We just know that T is sitting third to the left of T. Okay, so if T is somewhere here, that means P will be 3 places away from T towards left, is it?
It will be in between R and V.
Yeah, so see, now T can be anywhere. T can be here also. T can be here also. T can be here also. T can be here also because position is not fixed yet, right? We just know that wherever we place T, it's just that T should come third to its left because this condition is given here. Yes, correct? Also, let us also see the last one, that is Q is exactly between S and T. Okay, so Q is exactly between S and T. Again, we don't know that Q is exactly between S and T can be like this also. And Q is between S and T, it can be like this also. In both the ways, Q is coming in between S and T. It's not particularly mentioned that which side is which one, isn't it?
Yes.
Okay, so now what we'll do? First, let us try to place this one. T, we'll try to place T somewhere and according to T then we'll place P because P is third to the left of T, right? So now there can be more than one possibilities that we'll get, right? We'll try with each of the possibilities. Okay, let me rub this one. And now one by one, we'll try to place T at different positions. Okay. Now these positions are fixed. V, R, and U are fixed. Now see, if we place T over here and it is given T is third to the left of T. So according to this, if I put T between R and V, where should P come? 1, 2, and 3. According to this, P should come here, right?
Yes.
And also it is given that Q is between S and T. Q is between S and T. Okay, so if T is here, so according to this, between T and S, if I put S over here, according to question, Q should come here, no? But already V is sitting here. That is coming wrong, isn't it? See, if I put T over here and according to T, we have put T third to the left, P over here. So this is fine. Till here it is fine. But when we have to place Q exactly between S and T, so S can be here only because at the right of T there are no vacant places where we can place S. If S is placed here, then between S and T, Q should come according to question, but here already V is sitting. And we cannot change the position of V because that is already fixed. So that means what? What we have placed wrong?
T and P.
Yeah, so that means T and P were placed wrong. That is why all these positions are not coming properly. So now we'll try for another possibility for T. So we can write here that T is not coming here. I'll write T and I'll put a cross here because T cannot come here, right? Now let us see if T can come here. Let us try with this position, right? If T is here and P is third to the left. Third to the left is coming where, beta? 1, 2, 3. Third to the left is already, like U is already sitting here. So P cannot come here. That means what? T is not coming here also. Isn't it? That means this is also wrong. So we have to try like this only. We have to try for each and every possibility. Next possibility is what? If we place T over here at this point, now can it come here? Just you just have a look and tell me. Can P come here? Is there any vacancy for P? Third to
No.
the right?
Third to the right. Yes.
Yeah. Third, sorry, not right. Sorry, my mistake. P is third to the left of T. Left
No.
of T. Yeah. Then I read the question. P is sitting third to the left of T. So third to the left means this side 1, 2, and 3. R is already sitting here. That means P cannot come here. That means the position of T is not here also. We'll cross this position also. Isn't it? Are you getting how we are doing it?
Yes.
We're checking for each possible position for T. So now T cannot come here also. The last position that is left for T is this only. Let us check. If we put T here and then we see for third to the left of T. 1, 2, and 3. Yes. So there is a vacant seat. There is a vacant seat over here. So we can put P over here. Isn't it?
Yes.
Yes. So we can put P over here. So till now it's correct. Till now this condition is satisfying that P is sitting third to the left of T. Okay, let us also erase this. Next, what was the condition, beta? Next condition was Q is exactly between S and T. Now see where is T? So where can S come now? Q is exactly between S and T. So it can be like this also, or it can be like this also. Just that Q has to be in the middle.
S will be next to V.
Yes, very nice. So S should be here only because T is here. So between S and T, who is coming? Q
Q.
is, yeah. So now this brings us to the final arrangement. That means the position of T is also final here and the position of P is also final here. This is our final arrangement. Now each of the condition is satisfying. Correct? And
Yes.
now we can answer that who is sitting fourth to the right of S. Fourth to the right of S is who?
R.
Just four. One, two, three, and four. Four to
U.
the
U.
right. Yeah, you. Correct. So answer will be you. Okay,
Yeah.
got it? Okay. Is there any need to repeat it?
No.
No?
No.
Okay. Chalo, you can try for the second one now. I'll erase this answer and I'll send this file also to you and you can try it yourself again. Okay, try doing it yourself again. Now for now, try the second one. A, B, C, D, E, F. Six friends are sitting around a circle facing outside. Now they're facing outside. Try it. Since they are facing outside, we'll draw an arrow facing outside.
I think I got the answer.
Okay. Okay, so we'll start with here. Who is sitting here?
B.
P or B. Okay. Then tell me in the clockwise direction.
A.
Just a minute. Yeah. A. Okay.
C.
C.
F.
F. Okay.
D.
D
E.
and E. Okay. Just let me check it once. E can A C F C. Yeah. D and E. Yes, that's correct. Very nice. That's also correct. Any difficulty in solving this?
No.
Okay. Any confusion you faced at any point?
No.
No, it was clear.
Yes.
Okay. So and also see once you are done with the arrangement, do just check it. Like once again, we should check it that whether each of these points are coming true or not according to our arrangement. Okay. Let us do that quickly. Is every point coming correct or not? D is sitting second to the right of C. Okay, if C is here, second to the right is this. So 1 and 2. So D is coming second to the right of C. This point is correct. Okay, then B and C are immediate neighbors of A. If A is here, so one neighbor is C and one neighbor is B. So that is also correct. Then E is second to the left of A. If A is over here, so A's left will be this side. And second to the left of A is E. First left, second left is E. That is also correct. And only D was left. Yes. So D will be, now D's position was second to the right of C. It was already fixed. Only F was left. So F will be here. That means this arrangement is correct. Okay. So once you are done with the arrangement, do check it once. Okay.
Yes.
Now who is sitting opposite to F?
B.
Who is sitting opposite to F? Yes, B. So the answer will be B. All right.
All right.
Okay. So I hope you are not finding it difficult to solve it.
Mhm.
Understood?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. So now, Jaden, let's keep this much only for today. I'll be sharing this file also with you. Okay, it is containing a total 10 questions. So you can try as many questions as you can. All right?
Okay.
Because you have 2 days off, Saturday, Sunday. Just try these. And then on Monday, we'll continue. First, we'll discuss the answers of these and then we move forward. All
Okay.
right? Okay.
Yes.
Chalo, you may leave now. I'll see you on Monday now.
Bye.
Okay. Good day. Bye bye.